Hey guys, I'm Drew Mead here at MarineMax of Lake Lanier at Bald Ridge Marina. I'm super excited to show you guys our 2024 brand new model from Boston Whaler, the 21 Vantage. So you can see this boat's equipped with the 200 horse Mercury outboard on the back. It's going to push you along nicely. Back here on the transom deck, I'm going to start with the hidden swim ladder here. So if you guys are boarding back on the boat, you have a nice 4-step telescoping ladder. Makes getting in and out of the boat super easy. And when you're done with it, it stows away nicely. And you still have this nice open casting deck that Boston Whaler is known for. Right along the edge of the transom wall here, you've got cup holders, which suit nicely for your transom seats. Both sides have flip-up transom seats. Excellent place to ride when you're underway. If you want to go fishing again, you can just drop the seats down and have your casting platform along with your rod holders along the gunnel wall here. Also, the boat's equipped with a transom freshwater shower. So the boat does have its own onboard freshwater tank for rinsing off or cleaning your feet after being on the beach. Makes getting back in the boat very nice. Moving forward here, we have a live well. The boat's equipped with a pump that will aerate this tank and keep your bait alive. If you're not fishing and you're just spending the day out enjoying the boat with the family, this tank will also serve as a insulated cooler. So you can throw your drinks, food, anything you like in there and keep it fresh for the day. All right, moving forward to the helm, the boat's fully equipped with a Simrad multifunction display. You've got your chart plotter, your depth sounder, engine data will mirror on here, as well as your digital gauges from Mercury here and here. The boat is also fully equipped with JL audio, JL speakers throughout the boat. Moving over to the engine control side, we have a digital throttle and shifter. So gone are the days of pulling a cable up for throttle and shift. You're going to have nice, smooth digital start and stop button here, as well as active trim. Another favorite feature of mine as far as controlling the boat goes is the knob on the steering wheel. This makes close quarters maneuvering and docking very easy. You can have one hand on the throttle and shifter, one hand on the quick knob for the steering wheel, and make just control around the dock that much easier for you. Okay, over on the port side of the boat, we have a weather strip fully sealed storage compartment, as well as optional head. On this boat, you'll see it is equipped with a head. You'll see the boat's cover and other canvas stored away in there. Plenty of room for storing any of your items while you're out for the day, as well. A very spacious place to use a restroom if you need to. Under the helm here, you'll see your windbreak door. This opens up nicely and creates a really nice weather break for when you're underway, whether it be cold or raining. You can get behind the glass windshield, close the air dam door, and have a very nice break for the passengers here when you're underway. Open this back up, and if you look under the helm here, you have a very nice storage area equipped with a trash can. Your 5-gallon bucket doubles as a trash can. If you look right behind this door, you'll see Boston Whaler's equipped a trash chute, which is very nice. If you're looking for a place to quickly toss items out of the way, keeps the cockpit nice and clean and clear. You can just throw your items right through the trash chute there. And then moving forward, you have another access point to that very large storage compartment. Not only do you have your trash can inside, but you also have a place to lock and store your fishing gear. So you have rod holders there, as well as access to your 5-gallon trash bucket. All right, behind me up here in the bow, you will see a very well thought out anchor storage locker. You can equip your anchor right there in the locker. It will tie down to the hull, and when you're ready to deploy it, they've left a little relief place here for your anchor line and rode, so you can close the lid and safely rest at anchor and do some fishing or enjoy the boat. If you guys would like to come see the 21 Vantage at MarineMax of Lake Lanier, we're at Bald Ridge Marina in Cumming. My name is Drew Mead, and I'd love to show it to you.